Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm gonna show that how to read Facebook Messenger messages without being seen. Friends, this is new update of Messenger. At first, you have to open Play Store, then search Messenger and update your Messenger app on your device. Then click to open. Then you have to click here three dot icon. Then click to settings option and scroll down again, and here you can see privacy and safety option. Click to privacy and safety option. Then here you can see new option, read receipt. Let people see you have read their message. Then click, and here you can see the option, turn it off. After turning it off, people will not be able to see when you have read their messages, and you are not able to see when they have read your message. I send message from my another account. Wait, going to Facebook Lite. I am sending message my another account on my account. See guys, the message has been sent and delivered. I will send by this account. I seen this message, but here you can see the message has been not seen. Friends, if I send a message, then he will see, but there is no seen option here. Friends, that was the video. If this video helpful to you, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting new videos notification. I will come with another new exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye my dear friends.